Welcome to the launch of Experiments in Translation grant program. I just want to thank everybody for coming out tonight and thank our grant collaborators, Arts Engine. In addition, our partners from the Ginsberg Center and from the Center for Socially Engaged Design, of which you will hear tonight. Very briefly, we are looking for grant applicants who will produce projects that are interdisciplinary and include at least one North Campus school, projects that use Duderstadt Center technologies, projects that demonstrate a commitment to diversity, equity, and inclusion, and most importantly, projects that respond to the prompt, "It is difficult to convey blank to blank." So, for more information, you can get more information at our Experiments in Translation Google site. If you just Google Experiments in Translation, you'll find it. You can also find a link on the Duderstadt Center website. Letters of intent are due on January 30th, and final proposals are due in March. We're encouraging folks to submit early. The letters of intent don't have to be perfect, and the earlier you get them in, the more feedback we can give you before you send in your final proposal. Tonight, our speakers will include Dorsey Kaufmann, who is the artist whose work is currently on display in our gallery, all of which you have seen. That's where we just came from. And she's going to talk about her translation experiment. And our other speakers are going to talk about the various resources available through their departments that can help with your grant work. So, each speaker is going to talk for roughly 5 minutes or so, and we're just going to ask that you hold your questions till the end. And without further ado, I'm going to have Dorsey come on up. Dorsey?
I'm here.
Oh, okay.